John, what's Looking Glass XR doing at Industrial Immersive?
Well, we're here to announce our partnership with Unitree Robotics out of China. Now, so we decided to reach across the world because Unitree is one of the few that are right now selling not just their canines, but also their humanoids, which is exciting. Companies here in the US like Tesla and Boston and Agility, they're all still in the skunk work stage. They do have them out in the wild, but it's really for testing. With something like this, you can actually purchase now.
So what have we got here?
So what we have here is the Unitree G1. It's getting up from a nap, and this thing stands 4 feet 6 inches, and there's 5 different models. So the models range from around 25,000 to about 58,000, and what you get from that is more degrees of freedom in the hands and the shoulders. This thing can carry about 30 pounds. So the higher end model actually has real working hands that has sense touch. So you can basically program it to be gentle with eggs or to be able to pick up a hammer.
Now, I came across this chap at CES, and obviously I was fascinated to walk in here and to see it at this event. What's the reception of it been like?
It's been really, really good. So last year we brought the dog to an event here in Dallas, in Texas, and the reception, but you could tell people for the first time were seeing a robot, walking around, jumping for the first time. We thought maybe the humanoid was going to scare them because there's a lot of jokes about the Terminators. But no, it's been really, really good, and people kind of like to see it. A lot of selfies. This version, we call it Max. So Max has hopefully gone viral.
Now, in terms of once people get over the wow factor, what kind of use cases are they starting to chat about?
Well, right now for the humanoids, the dogs have been around for more than a decade, and so a lot of those are really for security, any type of LiDAR mapping.
Inspection.
Inspection. The humanoids, since we all live in a humanoid built world, right now the use cases are up to the people that want to program it. Since it is a full functional, some people look at it, they're moving a little too slow. Well, that's the AI, it's still learning. Think of it as a child doing something for the first time. But the exponential growth that AI is delivering to this type of hardware is going to be at a scale within the next year or two.
Well, I'm heading off to NVIDIA GTC in 2 weeks
I'm
after
jealous.
this. And certainly humanoid robots is a thing there, but it's great to see you making people aware of the art of the possible today in this world when it comes to digital twins, immersive experiences, and these will be our new co-workers in a couple of years' time, right?
Yeah, and the main thing that we're getting the inquiries on from the academia side, colleges and community colleges that are spinning up a new department in robotics, because it's just not going to need software, it's going to need hands that can repair them, that can scale them, and then on the corporate end, they know it's coming. They know eventually one day these are going to be deployed, if not the hundreds at their company, but thousands. And so they need to start building a team now, so when they see their competitor do it, or be a pioneer and do it before their competitor does.
Well, there's an entire ecosystem and life cycle to. It's like integrating any technology into our world, right?
Oh yeah.
You just don't buy this thing and you're done, right?
No.
There's a lot of hard work, but hey, good stuff.
Yeah.
I wish you well. Cheers, Max.